Today I am going to harvest my potato, my son's garden. This is the potato plant which I have put only one potato in the month of April. Now is the time for harvesting. Let's see how many potatoes are there under the ground. Start digging it first. Wow. And 1, 2, 3, and so next. This is going to happen. I will plant again. These are the potatoes. And we uprooting this plant. And see, my dear friends, see how many potatoes are there. Isn't it good to plant potato in your garden? I had one potato which I wanted to see how it is growing it. I just planted into the mud, and after 2 to 3 months, I found so many potatoes from one potato. So, dear friends, if you have potato in your kitchen, do harvest it into your garden or into a pot, and you will get potatoes within no time. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching my video.